So here's Gemini app, and if you tap on the menu in top left and go to settings, you can see here extensions. So these are Gemini extensions, help you bring it all together. Go from tons of tabs to one conversation. Gemini can now access info from news sources, starting with maps, YouTube, flights, hotels, so you can bring your ideas to life easier and faster. So yep, here you can just see all the flights, all the hotels, Google Maps, Google Workspace, like Gmail, Drive, Docs, YouTube, and then just basically have that integrated into Gemini, so you can get answers for stuff like, hey, what are like top flights, for example, and then it will integrate it with the Google Flights app, for example. And then as you can see, it has that, and I don't need to pay for that. This is not Gemini Advanced, so this is included in a free version. So then you can just see here round trips, for example, whatever, and then you can just see the exact image from Google Flights. And then of course there is just a link to Google Flights itself. So yep, pretty cool feature, so try it out.